And today, I don't know where I am. Huh?
So, I bought the slime kit, and we weren't videotaping it, and we made the slime already. So, we're going to show you, because it's chocolate slime, we're going to show you how to paint them at the end of the video.
Mm-hmm. So what are we going to do today?
We're going to be comparing regular slime compared with
Chalk slime.
the kit thing.
So let's get on with the video. So let's get some bowls. So high five.
No, we have a twist to it. You don't know this, but we're going to do, because it's a kit, and usually kits don't work, but this one kind of did. We're going to try to make slime on the table with no bowls. But we have sticks.
Yeah. We're not animals. Oh my god, your mom's going to kill us.
It's fine.
Wait, is it fluffy slime?
Uh-huh.
So fluffy slime first, chalk slime.
We're not going to finish this whole course. Okay, we already did.
Here it is.
Okay,
Come on, we have to hurry up because apparently I didn't know that the YouTube thing was like 15 minutes. Okay, move the paints.
sorry you guys can't see our face. Don't edit the whole thing. Oh, I just made a perfect circle. That's it. Samira, you're gonna have the whole
That's
thing.
enough.
No, you have bigger size than me.
Eh.
This is
So
my
we have
glue.
our sticks.
Usually-
Shaving cream.
No, I'm weird. I mix the glue in.
Let's add the color in first.
Yeah. So the kit came with these paints. I want to see if these paints work on these. So I want to do like a I know what I got. But I'm not telling you guys. 5 minutes later.
Okay, come on.
I know, I need another stick.
Don't use the whole
And then I need, oh yeah.
Hurry up.
I know, I'm trying to. I have to do it this way because this stick. Oh my god!
Idiot. Okay, hurry. Okay, that's enough.
Ugh.
Well, I'm gonna do a color that no one thinks of.
I'm doing purple. I have 2 sticks for a reason. I don't know why.
I do.
I think I need blue. More blue. She's doing a teal, I think. You're always like teal.
No, it's just a green. You know, basic.
Can you put some blue in here? Because my hands just got sick with blue. Can you add some blue in
No,
here?
add some
With your stick.
blue.
No, with your stick.
I'm not adding a stick.
Okay, just a little. Is it?
Need a little bit more green.
You haven't even mixed it.
So we'll show you the finishing touch after.
What's that?
Okay, so we just did the color.
My color is gray.
So this is her color. It's like a
I was supposed to go for a
bluish-ish.
purple.
And then this is my color. It's like a teal,
I wish.
mermaid teal.
It's a green. Okay. So
I can do what I want. So
let's add the shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
Only a little bit. What's enough? I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop.
Okay. Ready?
Go. Wait. I recommend to do it on the
In a bowl.
no, out of the bowl because then you can get the bottom under there. Usually you can't.
It's hard.
Now we have to add in more color because the shaving cream is making it white.
Yeah.
I want it to be white. Please make it white.
I don't want it to be.
I want it to be white
Maybe
so I
when
can...
we activate it.
No, I want it to be white so I can change the color. Mine's turning white now. You need to mix it more. Mine's turning like this, like, really pretty color. Not really pretty.
Mine looks like a lime green.
Can you add some green for me? I want to change it. Shaving cream, help me. Thank you, shaving cream. Oh, I need some more. Don't use it.
It's not coming out.
Then give me blue.
Green. Can you give me the green? Okay, we'll tell you when we got updated and it's all good.
Okay,
So, ours didn't turn out what we wanted.
but we're fine with this color.
Yeah, it's a nice color. So
That's
hers-
mine.
Hers is darker. So we have no idea how it got.
My
to
stick
this.
is boring, so I'm just gonna go in with my hands.
Yikes. Okay, so
Let's activate it. I just go in a lot.
sorry guys. You good, guys?
Okay. Videotape this.
So
Ready? I'm gonna
Wait.
go with my activator. Ooh. It's activating. I actually made a lot of slime before, so I know how to make, but I never made with. No, can you add some more?
no
Give me-
bowl.
Yeah. You're my helper. Keep me. Go, go, go. Wow. Mine's not activating. That means we need more shaving cream. It's gonna ruin it. No, that's not mine. That's
This is mine.
no, I'm touching it.
You got on her pants. Nope, that sucks. It
Oh, this is not activating at all.
must have been the paints, the chalk paints.
This is so annoying. Can you get the shaving cream off of me? Because you're not. Samira, help! Oh, mom's gonna kill me.
Okay, what am I gonna do with it now?
Put it in. Because yours is
Great,
not.
now it's so good.
No, this isn't gonna activate. I'm just going with the raw shaving cream. That's what I'm doing.
Okay,
This
we'll
isn't-
tell you.
I'm more. No, let's just like videotape this. This is the last part. Can you add an activator for me? Oh, add an activator. A lot. For me.
I don't really need that much. But
No, I
I'm
said.
kidding.
Keep going, keep going. That's good. I think it's the top. Oh, it's activating now.
Yeah,
You guys can't
activating,
see it.
Kind of.
Now it's I had to add in a lot of shaving cream. Hear that? The table's moving. Ooh, mine's activating. I added a lot of shaving cream, but it's not ruining my slime, so that's good.
But this probably will ruin the table.
It's okay. No, it's actually not.
Okay, we're so sorry because the video stopped because I'm on my phone because I don't have a camera and Toya's right here. I just knocked over the camera and just fell like a dummy. So yeah, where were we? Hands. And then I just went through that.
Nice slime.
Don't do that. Do this. It actually works.
Can you add an activator?
Toya, stop moving the table. It's moving the phone.
Hi.
Sorry.
I'm in the
The
corner.
phone. Okay. Stop moving.
That's you. We just went to the Museum of Ice Cream today. Wait, can I get the activator?
Yeah, can you pour some in mine? Can you pour some in mine?
It's actually really good slime.
Kind of hard. It might be better in the bowl.
I think the paints are made to add more shaving cream
Yeah.
and giving away your color
The chalk, yeah.
paints. But here's mine. I still have more glue. And I'm going to mix this guys can't see me. I'm gonna try to get you from my nose. Hold on. Jake,
Stop.
I just fixed you. It's more me. Hi.
Hello.
My slime is activating, but really sticky. Can you add some of me? I just went in. And this is work. Oh, it's working.
Come on, ladies, keep
But I
it
think the
going.
chalkboard made it a little too watery. But
Because
it's,
there's like different paints from food coloring.
yeah. And like,
Oh, what I said to her is I said, what is this? Look at that. It's
ew.
disgusting.
It's not even clicking. Because that's how sticky
That's
mine
how
is.
sticky it is.
I'm moving like everything.
So do you have extra hands? Finger or anything?
I need to get my rest of my slime.
Okay.
You can do that.
Okay, so I'm gonna try.
I have to do it actually. Because I'm using one hand.
Mm,
And that was nice enough.
So
I think I got like all my slime.
I think we should
needs to
give
be
you an
active.
update when we're done, but
I
I don't
just
know
wanna
how
show
we're
you.
gonna
Oh,
pause
sorry.
the video
Oh,
or
sorry.
like go to the next one.
Well, no, we'll just like we'll just keep doing this.
So yeah. So now
We're gonna show you our chalkboard slimes and we're gonna color on it.
Yeah.
And see if this
know what we're
works
gonna
on the
do.
color.
Yeah.
So, just get
Wait,
mine
I don't
back
want to
here.
ruin the slime. We'll have a little piece of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we didn't show you.
I'm gonna do the
four.
little one. Oh my god.
I'm gonna do the full one because that's the only one we
Here, I'm
have.
gonna show you.
This is what it looks like.
I had two of them because mine was too big.
Oh my god.
Yeah, yours got stuck. Here's mine. Oh, my hands are getting
God.
stuck with the color.
It got a little bit hardened.
So, here's mine.
This got a little bit hardened.
I'm gonna get my other piece.
It's
Oh,
weird.
look at that. Oh my god. Hold on.
It's hardened.
Look at that. It has
Okay.
this. Look at this.
Okay.
It has
so
the
this
symbol.
is mine.
Hold on. I'm cleaning up. I'm trying to get my other.
Okay, so it's like that.
Here's
I got some-
mine. Mine's actually really easy.
But you-
Wait, I'm not done. Okay, I'm almost done. Hold on. I said
That's hard.
I didn't say a musical symbol. Wait, that's not. That's it. Wow.
Okay. Anyways, that's hard.
No, wait, we're showing the clicking. Ready? We're gonna show you how to mix it in. Ready? Set. I'll do mine first.
I already did mine. Okay. I'm gonna mix it in, see what it does. So this is.
Oh, whoa!
Okay.
Look at that. I'm gonna do a slime twirl with this. See that? Guys, see that? It's cute. Comment down below which one do you like better?
polka dot one?
Her polka dot one or my little splatter one?
And comment down below which one do you like better. This one
Which one do you like better? This one?
or this one?
No. Which one do you like better in these two? And which one do you like better? This one
So this is.
or her?
This is polka dot girl. This is polka dot.
This one's splatty girl.
And
this
that one's mermaid.
this one's minty.
Mint chocolate.
Minty. Oh, that reminds me when I went to the Museum of Ice Cream, there was a mint life. So, yeah, just
So we're
it's really
done.
fun.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you give this video a thumbs up. And I recommend to get this if you are bored.
And it's $9.99. So go get it, and it's out. I only got it at Target, so go get it. Bye.
And thanks for subscribing. Thanks for like that
Subscribe,
video.
turn on the
Turn
bell,
on the bell to get notified.
and give this
thanks.
video the thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up.
Bye.